What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today is part 2, the shed replacement door build, whatever I said. I got new wood. We got everything new. We're gonna disassemble the doors all in this video. So today is basically the actual continuation of the video, and it's also probably gonna be the end of the video. So like the end of the series, I guess. And yeah, the wood's over there. It's really big. And sander time. Alright, so basically the door still has some good parts to it, like this lock thingamajig and that like taking thingamajig, and like the handles like right there, there and there. I need to take those, but everything else in the inside except for this wood, this is very good wood. This is weathering wood. We'll take that, and the locks underneath it and etc. But yeah, so I don't, yeah, time lapse I guess. So I'm just gonna remove everything like that, and yeah. And no, orange is not my favorite color, if you guys are wondering, because I always use that for my texts. So no. So I'm just gonna basically explain what's going on. So right now, the wood piece that I was talking about before, I'm just removing all the staples slash nails in it. I also am trying to remove a locking mechanism for the inside of the doors. That's what I'm trying to do here. Also the tripod fell over a lot because my tripod wasn't high enough, and you know, rocky floors. So yeah. Let's just see what the next thing is. So, oh yeah, Daniel's next to me with me, helping me edit, yeah? So, yeah. I'm just cutting down a piece of wood for the door, the top part of the door and the bottom part. We messed up a lot. We found out the nails that we bought weren't fitting, so we had to go with screws, which didn't look as good. But eventually we just thought we were gonna repaint this over. So yeah, that's what we were gonna do. We started drilling in with our drill, which we haven't used in a while actually. And yeah, basically that's what it is right now. Oh yeah, we moved it because I was cutting it. Okay, there it is. Aaron, oh no, that wasn't Aaron. That was Daniel. Daniel, you're trying to help? Okay, okay. That's the next one. We just did the next one. We have 2 pieces of the doors, and yeah. And I'm basically pretty sure, yeah, I'm just redoing everything else that we did for the last time. And yeah, I'm just gonna stay here, see what's going on. I'm doing this because not a lot of people watch my videos, so I'm pretty sure I'm trying to oh yeah, so on the barn doors right here, they have like a cool design pattern on it, and it's like diagonal, and that's what we're doing. I was just standing there because my dad was like, you know, trying to help me, and he was putting in sealant because he remembered the last time he made the other barn door was when he didn't add sealant and it got corroded so fast. Yeah, right here it'll show we were cutting down a piece of wood. I didn't want to take that. Yeah, see? Right there. Diagonal doors. Oh, okay. I don't know what happened there, but yeah. But yeah. There it is. Yeah, just more sealant. Nothing's bad. Oh yeah, I was shirtless because it was so hot. It was like the top of 100 degrees. We went swimming after that. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this was an Instagram post. Well, story. So I just realized that we can't do this all in 2 parts. So we're gonna do it in 3 parts, hopefully, because so let me just summarize it for you guys. Part 1 is us preparing, which you guys saw. Part 2, which is this video, is us fixing the, making the doors. And part 3 is actually replacing the actual doors. So we're removing the doors like how it's supposed to be entitled to, but also we're also going to be cutting down this. We're also going to be repainting the entire shed door and the entire thing itself, because green is not a good color, if you guys agree. So that's going to happen. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and like. Stay tuned for part 3. See ya.